Vostro! 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 Oh, hey, what's up, guys? MVP here. Today we are going to be doing something. Let's get right into it.
Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Moo-Tastic person here, back with another video. Today we're going to be painting a laptop because we realized that, you know, this laptop isn't enough of a MacBook. So we're going to be using some paint to paint it with a paint roller, and we're going to show you guys how to completely paint your laptop to a different color, the proper way, as well as be doing it ourselves. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for the video. So guys, we are painting the bottom of this laptop right now. You can see it right here.
Transforming into your brand new Apple book.
Yeah.
Oh, let's put OS 10 on this.
Oh yeah. Guys, we just accidentally got some paint on the screen, but we're going quickly to wipe it up right now. Oh, so good. Guys, we're gonna be adding our special paint liquid to this laptop.
Just one spray.
Yeah, because our laptop needs to get a little bit drunk for it to work properly. So just gonna spray a little bit of that.
That's probably enough.
Oh, it's actually making it flow better. It's like flux for paint. Oh, it smells pretty good too.
Should we flip art over? I want to get little guys for it. One sec.
Alright guys, so we just finished painting. We got our laptop propped up here on some corks to dry. We're gonna let it dry for a while, and then we're gonna paint it again with some spray paint, because drywall paint does not work very well when painting on a laptop, as you can kind of see from this angle. Yeah, so we need another coat. Alright guys, it's a little bit while later, and we just realized that drying it with the hood closed is a stupid idea, because there's wet paint here, and then it just gets wrecked on the screen. So we're gonna escutcheon off with the we're gonna get a little bit more alcohol. So yeah.
It's actually paint spray. Oh. We're gonna use the escutcheon spray.
Okay, I'm gonna spray the escutcheon.
You can escutcheon the camera off. That's too much. So far. Here, I'll hold the camera if you want to wipe our.
I'm good. Yeah.
That looks okay. Here, I think we got all of the paint off. Now that's just streaks.
All right, boys. We're gonna do